Hey guys, it is spring cleaning time and I have a good intro for you. This is my intro. My hair and my makeup's actually done for the first time in like ages. But anyway, my whole video today is about spring cleaning. I'm cleaning out a closet and I'm taking you guys along with me. So if you guys want to come see me clean out a closet, then let's get into it. Hey guys, so this is me at home, just, you know, filming. So as I said, this is our hall closet. So I'm just gonna kind of give you guys a view of what it looks like. The floor is probably really dirty, but this wound up becoming like a junk closet. So we have lots of bags in here, and then I have our vacuum, which is like literally the best vacuum ever for hardwood floors. It's amazing. Then I have the Bona hardwood floor cleaner. It's kind of like a Swiffer style, but it's for Bona. It's really, really good. And then I have tons of bags. I have umbrellas that we don't use. One of them is like vintage. I don't think you guys can see that. Let's lift this up a little bit. You see like the hooks back there? There's two umbrellas. There's a plastic one, which we never use because, I don't know, anybody else feel like umbrellas are just such a crazy, crazy concept? Like, unless it's like the perfect storm where you're like in the city and you can't find like shelter and you happen to have an umbrella on you that day, and you're getting wet anyway, but you're just trying to prevent some of it. I just feel like there's such a nuisance. Like if you're going to get into a car with an umbrella, what a pain in the ass. Like now you're getting soaked, it's taking up time. Walking into a house, it takes up time. Like, just had to share my thoughts. But anyway, so we also have an ironing board tucked over here, which we're yet to use. We've never once used it. I'm trying to think what else. We have lots of bags. Like these are tote bags that like you could bring, like reusable ones. And then we have like Victoria's Secret bag, like gift bags, and then like gift wrapping. But downstairs is where we have all of our wrapping stuff, so I don't really know why it's in this closet. This just became like a total junk closet. So then we're gonna just pan up a little bit. Those are our jackets. So one half is my husband's. Those are like his sweatshirts. He kind of takes out his jackets for winter, like out when it's not the winter, but I don't. Those are my jackets on the other side. Then if you pan up a little bit more, whoa. If you go up a little bit more, this is just a really awkward, weird view, but those are our towels. So we don't have a linen closet in the master bathroom, but the master bathroom is literally like, if I could show you, right down the hall this way. So it's literally like a few steps down the hall. So we have all the towels in here, and that just works well for us. So what I wanna do is, the towels are fine, the jackets are fine. What's not fine is just this mess down here, and it's just become like really, really difficult to clean in this closet because it's just such an eyesore. And if company comes over, their jackets would be hung up in this closet, and who wants to hang up their coat in this closet? Like, I barely do. Anyway, let's get into cleaning. All right, I'm gonna start by taking this stuff out, you know? What a disaster. Okay, so we just have like lots of totes on totes on totes. So I'm just gonna like kind of fold them up a little bit. Can't live a minimalist lifestyle if you're living like this. Just so many bags, like bags on top of bags, inside bags, outside of bags. And we love bags. We seriously love bags. Google business partner. You'd probably think that I got these bags because like I'm on YouTube and all that stuff. I didn't. I'm a very small YouTuber. Nobody cares about me. My husband actually got those bags because he does all that kind of stuff. Not YouTube, but like e-commerce and stuff. I mean, just so many bags. Let's have a moment to remember when I had a consignment shop. And just move on with our day because those days are behind us. extension cord in here. My husband's gonna be so happy when he sees this. These are slippers that my in-laws got me to keep at their house, but probably one time I was there and I didn't want to put my heels back on, so I just went home in the slippers is what I'm assuming happened with this. Gotta bring those back. Okay, I think what I need to do is go through these bags because I think it's just a little silly to have all these bags. Like the consignment shop one, I don't think I need that. Like, do I need these bags? Like a Maryland bag, Marilyn Monroe bag? I know this came free with something. It's super cute, but like, I'm not gonna bring it anywhere. I don't know. We have an optical. We got these bags. That's garbage. We have a poncho in here. I mean, what good is a poncho doing us in this closet? Ooh, receipt. Post office receipt. I know my husband like loves these bags. I'm thinking maybe I'll just lay them all flat and then put them somewhere else. Okay, so I sorted the bags. Let's see if I can get it framed because I know you guys are loving this look right now. I sorted the bags. So the smaller tote bags are gonna go to, they're in our like little entryway to the basement. Those are good for like lunch when we wanna bring lunch to work. And then the bigger ones, I'm going to put, I put them all inside of like one. I'm gonna leave those in the car because we like to shop at BJ's, which is like a Costco or a Sam's Club, and they don't give you bags there, which like I appreciate because like we're saving plastic, but I also like sometimes we take their garbage boxes that they have like there that you guys can like take and like put your stuff in, and then like we have to like put in our recycle, and like I'm all about recycling, so I would never not do that, but like then it like fills up our recycle bin. So I'm thinking if I just leave those in the car, we could just use those, and they're a little bit bigger and like a little bit better quality, so they could carry heavier things. So that is how I did that. The poncho I have in our mudroom. We have like this little thing that has like all our dog stuff in it, and I just kind of put it in there because like we're never gonna wear it. Like we should probably just get rid of it, but I just put it there for now. Anyway, we have these two umbrellas. Oh, we have more bags there. Okay, cool. So we have these two umbrellas. I'm not really sure. This one's like vintage and like I wouldn't use it out. But it's so nice. It's from when I had a consignment shop. And then this one, my husband likes umbrellas more than I do, but he doesn't really like this one because it's like very plasticky. So I'm not really sure what exactly we're gonna do with these. I'm just gonna hang them on this dog gate for now. Okie dokie. All right, we have gift bags and gift bags and gift bags. And it's so dirty in this closet, it's disgusting. So I have a whole bin in the basement that has all gift bags and wrapping paper and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put that there. We have some more, oh, just a little sliver of wrapping paper. Gotta save that. And then this is the cleaner for the Bona. You know, you could like dust the floor with this, which we never do that. I'm gonna vacuum up in here. This is gonna stay for now, this ironing board. I'm just gonna vacuum this, and then I think I'm gonna call this closet clean. I'm pretty happy with the outcome. I'll show you guys when I'm completely done. Okay, so here's the closet now. We just have a steamer back there. We have the extension cord, we have the Bona cleaner, we have the vacuum, and then the Bona extra dust pad. And then as we pan up, we just have the jackets still. Whoop. We still just have the jackets, everything like that. And then on this side, I actually put this. What am I even showing you guys at this point? I put this bad boy. So yeah, that is everything. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye guys. Mwah.